Hi guys, welcome to our channel First Cut TV. Guys, so today I'll be showing you how I make coleslaw, not coleslaw, coleslaw. So guys, I have some ingredients here that I'll be using, some vegetables that I'll be using. I have the cabbage, the cucumber, and the carrots. These ingredients here cost lesser than 1,000 naira, except for the mayonnaise that goes for like 1,000 plus. So guys, everything right here, they've not been washed. This is just fresh from the market. So I'll be showing you guys the process. So let's get right into it. So right now guys, I'm just about washing everything that is needed in making the coleslaw. Finish washing the chopping board. Before washing, I'm going to peel out the excess skin. We don't need those parts that are bad. As you can see, this is what is left of the cabbage after taking out the bad ones. Scrape and wash the carrot next. This part is very important because the carrot has gone through lots of process from the farm to different hands touching it and all that. So it's important that you scrape out the skin. Just scrape it out, scrape out the dirt, you know, to get the clean part of the whole thing. So you guys can see I'm scraping it. So I think when making a coleslaw, it won't be complete without the carrot, because I can't imagine one just making a coleslaw with just the cabbage. I'm going to wash the cucumber. With this cucumber, I really don't need the skin, and this part of it can be very tedious to do. So this is what I just do. I chop in circles, and then I do this. Also, I don't need this inner part of it. This is what we're working with, just this. You can see it before I peeled it and after I peeled it. Sure you guys can see the difference. So this is it. So guys, everything has been washed now. I'm just going to go to the chopping process. So guys, right now I'm going to start grating the carrot. You can opt to chop in cubes, but I'd rather just do this. I don't know if you guys can see what this is giving me, but so far this is what we have achieved. And as along the way, as you grate, you get some big chunky parts. You get some big chunky parts like this. Just dispose. If you guys want bigger chunk of carrot, you use this part, this down part. But because I want the carrot to be tiny and lovely, as you guys can see, that is giving me. And gosh, the most tedious part in making coleslaw for me is grating the carrot. Guys, I'm sure, as you can see, I'm done chopping. So I'm going to go into the next one now, which is the cabbage. So guys, I'm going to start chopping the cabbage now. I like to divide it in two parts, and I like to still check if there's any other excesses I want to take out. As of now, there's really nothing to take out. So I'm going to start chopping. I like to divide in 4 parts, so they just look like this. And sometimes if I'm not going to use everything, I just keep this part, and then I take out excess from the outer skin and cover and keep in my fridge. But I'm using everything for this one because the cabbage is not so big, so I might as well just chop away. So some people like to chop very big. I like to chop small. The step I forgot to mention to you guys earlier was that I sometimes, when I don't forget, because I'm not Miss Perfect, I sometimes use salt to wash everything After doing the first cleaning stage, I use salt and just wash everything out. So I'm chopping the cucumber now. As I said, this part is very much optional. Guys, I'm just finished chopping. I'm just making the cucumber look smaller. If you feel it's too big, just do this. So guys, as you can see, this is my lovely table, so beautiful. My cabbage all chopped, the carrots and the cucumber. This is what the cucumber looks like before it turned to this. So I'm going to show you guys how I mix right now. So guys, we're going to mix now. I'm going to show you guys like 2 ways of mixing this. If you want it with the cream or without the cream. So I'm going to show you guys with the cream first because I want that one chilling in the fridge. So you have to check what you have so that the measurement can be equal. So I'm just going to mix everything together and give it a beautiful color so you guys can see. Looks lovely. So guys, if you know you're not going to eat this with the cream, if you're watching your weight because you don't want the whole mayonnaise in your system and all, this is the best way to serve this. I told you guys I was going to show you 2 ways to serve. I'll just serve. So if you're on a diet or something, you're watching your weight, no cream, no salad cream, no mayonnaise, this is the best way to have this. You can have this in the night before sleeping. It helps your bowel movement and all that in the morning. You just like this without the cream. So I want to use this bowl to mix a small quantity that I can eat now. If you know you're not going to eat everything yet, do not mix the mayonnaise in everything. You just take out the quantity you want to eat and mix that quantity. Don't mix everything down and just leave because it will become watery. The remaining one of this will just go into my fridge so that anytime I want to serve, I can. I'm just going to mix because I like it very creamy. I'm going to do 2 scoops. Okay, let's make it 2.5. I'm going to mix now. So guys, this is the finished result of my coleslaw. The mixed one, the one that haven't been chopped but not mixed, and the one that I added my cream in it, as you guys can see. So guys, kindly please subscribe to our channel, help us grow, keep gingering us. So please just keep the subscribe button down below, and basically that's it. See you next time in my next one. Bye guys.